Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uyaphila-ke. Mina-ke ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mangabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze-ke okulungile-ke lapha ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizokulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ongakwenza-ke njengamanje-ke ukuthi-ke ungixhase-ke laphana-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba-ke engilethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke lithi MK-ke laphana-ke isikhiphe-ke isimemezelo-ke esisheshayo-ke laphana-ke kubalandeli-ke beqembu-ke noma-ke izakhamuzi-ke zase-South Africa-ke laphana-ke. Istatement-ke sithi-ke laphana-ke i-MK-ke iboleke imali-ke engango-17 billion laphana-ke kwi-BRICS laphana-ke imali-ke ezosiza-ke uku-improve-ke isimo-ke samanzi-ke laphana-ke kanye ne-infrastructure-ke la eMzansi-ke laphana-ke kanye ne-5 million-ke ozobolekwa ikhampani-ke uTrustnest. UFloyd Shivambu-ke ubhale-ke wathi-ke laphana-ke ikhasi lakhe ngaso-ke lesimo lesi wathi we as umkhonto wesizwe appreciate and welcome the loan from the BRICS Bank because we know that such a loan will not come with neoliberal and neo-colonial conditionalities that always accompany loans from the World Bank and International Monetary Fund. We appreciate and welcome the loan from the BRICS Bank because it is President Jacob Zuma who took the correct political decision to join BRICS in 2010. This was part of building an alternate and fair world system free from the West neo-colonial and neo-liberal control and macro management. It was in 2010 under the visionary leadership of President Zuma that BRIC, Brazil, Russia, India and China became BRICS through the additional of South Africa. Kusho-ke laphana-ke uFloyd Shivambu-ke lokhu bekufunda-ke into-ke abeyibhale-ke laphana-ke kwikhasi lakhe-ke ngaso-ke lesinqumo lesi-ke sokuthi-ke kubolekwe imali-ke laphana-ke kwi-BRICS. Mina ngicela kulapha singena comments laphana-ke ufike ubhale wena ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke ushiye umbono wakho-ke laphana-ke kuma-comments ucindezela nebhathini nje subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke like khona uzokwazi-ke ukuthi uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje.